Hello everyone, this is Joe from AtlasOS team. Here's a short video on how to create an account on AtlasOS system. First, you can visit our public AtlasOS system using any modern web browser and visit this URL, www.atlas-os.org. While you are on this page, don't forget to check our public system's pricing and subscription plan information here. At the URL place, you can find the link to the sign up page. On this account registration page, make sure to select the main account option. The member account option is for creating accounts belonging to a main account. Pick username and pick password. The requirements for a secure password are: first, it must be at least 8 characters long. Second, it must contain at least one non-alphanumeric character. That is a character that's neither a letter nor a number. Third, the password must contain both letter and number characters. Re-enter your password for confirmation and make sure they match. Input your email address and your cell phone number here. You will need a cell phone number that can receive text message verification code. Input the CAPTCHA characters here. If the CAPTCHA string is hard to read, click the CAPTCHA image to get a new one. Notice, if you're registering a member account, there's an additional item for you to put in, but for now, make sure you are on the main account registration side. If you agree with the terms and conditions, click the sign up button to complete the registration process.